Going to the gym is more than a workout. It's a personal promise, a daily reminder that you're investing in your future. Across the United States, people step into gyms every morning and every night with one goal: to become better than they were yesterday. Fitness in America has become a lifestyle, a culture built around discipline, consistency, and the belief that progress is possible for anyone who is willing to put in the work. When you walk into a gym, you're entering a space where excuses don't matter, effort does. Whether you're lifting weights, running on a treadmill doing HIIT, or practicing mobility, every movement has meaning. Americans train not just to look good, but to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. And that confidence carries into everything: work, family, and everyday life. The US gym culture is also built around routine. Many people start their day before sunrise, pushing through representatives while the world is still quiet. The timing doesn't matter, the dedication does. Because the gym teaches one powerful truth: consistency beats motivation. You won't always feel motivated, but showing up every day builds a discipline that becomes unshakable. And here's the best part: the gym doesn't care about your background, age, weight, or experience level. Everyone starts somewhere. Some people are trying to lose weight, some want to build muscle, others want better mental health, and many simply want to live longer, stronger lives. In the US, beginners train next to athletes, and everyone respects the journey because they know how hard it is to stay committed. Americans also understand that fitness is not only about the workout, it's about the lifestyle around it. Eating clean, getting enough sleep, managing stress, staying hydrated, and recovering properly are all part of the process. When you take care of your body outside the gym, you perform better inside the gym. And that's why people here focus on long-term habits instead of shortcuts. One of the most inspiring things about gym life in the US is how it builds mindset. You learn patience because results don't come overnight. You learn resilience because some days feel harder than others. You learn self-control because progress requires sacrifice. But most importantly, you learn that growth happens outside your comfort zone. So wherever you are in your fitness journey, remember this: progress is progress. No matter how small, don't compare your chapter to someone else's. Your only competition is the version of you from yesterday. Keep showing up. Keep putting in the work. Keep believing in yourself. Because the effort you make today is shaping the stronger, healthier, more confident person you will become tomorrow. If this video inspired you or added value to your day, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and stay connected for more US-focused fitness motivation and lifestyle content.